Nitin Nabin has been declared as the new BJP president. Nadda's successor is Nitin Nabin. 37 nomination papers have been filed in his favor through the day. The process has continued, but the big breaking news that's coming in right now is that the decks have been cleared for Nitin Nabin to be the next BJP president. Essentially, he's been declared as a new BJP president. How has that been done? Because he's had 37 nomination papers filed in his favor. No one else has also come up to say that, I want to be the BJP president. So clearly unopposed, it's Nitin Nabin who is all set to take over tomorrow in a grand ceremony. He will be officially named as the BJP president. I'll bring in Aishwarya Paliwal for more details on this. Aishwarya, the process has been complete. The last 1 hour was the time when any candidate can go ahead and withdraw his nomination. With Nitin Nabin not doing that, it's clear he is the next BJP president.
Right, Akshita, we did see how the entire day today was about in the BJP headquarters. There were 27 sets of nomination papers that were being filed, Akshita, and all of them were in favor of Nitin Nabin for the post of the national. For the post, the scrutiny of the papers, Akshita, is now over, and now Dr. K. Lakshman, who's the national returning officer, he's the one who was looking at this. He's now come out and given a statement, and he said that with this, the announcement has been made that there was only one name. That name was Nitin Nabin. And with this, what has been proposed is that he now steps on and becomes the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Akshita, you rightly pointed out, we will see celebrations taking place tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi will also be coming at the BJP headquarters. The BJP, Akshita, believes that this is signaling of the new chapter that will now begin in BJP's history.
Truly a new chapter, what everyone's been referring to also as a generational shift, because you've got essentially Nitin Nabin, much younger than his predecessors, taking over now as the BJP president. As expected, elected unopposed. You only had, in fact, him being proposed, the sole name being proposed for the post of the national president of the BJP. So in the Congress, if you had all of that drama playing out of Mallikarjun Kharge versus Shashi Tharoor, none of that in the BJP. Very clearly, the leadership, the high command was behind Nitin Nabin, and he is the one who is all set to take over as the BJP president. Maria Shakil is joining us live from the newsroom with more details on this. Maria, decks cleared as expected, completely smooth process. Tomorrow, there's going to be a grand ceremony.
Yes, it will be a big ceremony which will be attended by the Prime Minister, and the formal, takeover of Nitin Nabin will be happening tomorrow. Of course, today was the day of nominations. Through the day, what we saw was that party leaders from across India, from alphabet A, which starts with Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, to Z and West Bengal being the last state. All these states came in various groups, and then they were seen as, giving their approval for the candidature of Nitin Nabin. He's 45 years old, has been an MLA from Bihar for a good 5 terms. So clearly, it's a beginning of a new era in the BJP. We have seen this generational shift which is happening today, Akshita, and becomes important because the BJP is sending a message to other political parties that here is the party which was founded in 1980, has ensured that there is a total generational shift, beginning of a new era in a political party. What about you? It's a challenge which is going to say perhaps the Congress party, the grand old party of India, which has its party president in his late 70s. So the message is loud and clear. Nitin Nabin's era in the BJP has now truly begun.
Okay, so tomorrow is when, in the presence of Prime Minister Modi, officially Nitin Nabin takes over as the BJP president. But it's all cleared. The process that's followed within the BJP and enshrined in the BJP's constitution has been followed. And based on that, unopposed, Nitin Nabin has been chosen as the BJP president. Thanks very much, Maria, for joining us with all of those details. Only one nomination for BJP's top post. As expected, the High Command say is the final say in the Bharatiya Janata Party.